Mato na ko ma. Pa, bye-bye.
Sige na, amping. Good luck, Teng, amping.
Excuse me, sir. Kanang, asa tapit pwede mo apply for call center? Apply ka. Okay. Diri ang applyanan, pero imo sa ibutang imong bag dito sa building 1. Dala imong vaccination card o imuhang ID. Mura importante. Okay. Sige sir. Thank you. Mobalik ka ron, sir. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Ay, sir, dala-day ako ang kuan kanang ID o akong vaccination card. Oh, sige miss. Diha na nimo, then sulod na didto kay naray mo assist nimo. Okay? Sige sir, thank you. Oh, hi. Ay, hello miss. Mga-apply ka? Oo, mo-apply ko.
Nakay ID, miss?
Ano na ko ning akong vaccination o ako ang ID? Okay. Kung ko lang ta din miss. Ma'am?
Okay, so mo-apply ka. So, unsa mo pangalan?
Yes, ma'am. Ang akong pangalan is Avril.
Avril.
Ano ang ID,
Okay.
ma'am?
Sige. Thank you. Ibutang na diya, miss. Kaya ako na i-check ang spelling ron. Thank you.
Okay. Kasi referee ni mo, miss? Wala, ma'am. Is okay ra. So, muna siya ang form, dapat ninyo mong fill upan with all the important information. And then, after that, they will proceed to the waiting room. Naray mo assist ninyo dito. Kani siya nga form, ibalhin ni sa online form, which is magamit na mo og computer. So, after that, maghulat mo for interview. And then, if makapasar mo sa interview, you will go ahead with exam, with typing test, and the stimulator app. So, I'm just giving you a heads up kung unsay mahitabo o unsay dapat agian to be hired. So, good luck, and this is the form na dapat nimong kuanan. Fill upan. Fill upan niyo siya.
Yes.
Ihatag ra pag interview.
Ihatag ra sa at mo assist nimo.
Sige, ma'am.
Sige, thank you. Good morning, applicants. So I will be one of your assistant for today in your application here at the company. So if you want to have some snack, you can just grab some snacks here. And then if ka muna sunod for the online form and for the interview, we will just call you.
Sige, miss.
Okay?
Thank you.
Salamat,
miss.
Sige, miss. Okay, next.
Okay na, miss.
Okay, thank you. Please wait for your turn for the interview. Go back to your seat. Thank you. Next.